Sellvia for Dropshipping Honest Review. Watch before using. Sellvia is a turnkey dropshipping solution designed to simplify e-commerce for beginners and experienced sellers alike. Unlike standard dropshipping suppliers, Sellvia warehouses products in the US, enabling 1 3-day shipping, eliminating the long wait times typically associated with AliExpress. It offers a catalog of trending, ready-to-sell products with professionally designed product pages optimized for conversions. The platform is designed for entrepreneurs who want a hands-off approach, handling fulfillment while allowing sellers to focus on marketing and scaling. One of Sellvia's key advantages is its plug-and-play integration with Shopify and WooCommerce, making it easy to import products with a single click. Unlike traditional suppliers, every product comes with high-quality descriptions, images, and customer reviews, saving hours of work in store setup. The Sellvia subscription is required to access their services, currently priced at $39 per month, with a 14-day free trial available. While the fee may seem high, it covers warehousing, fulfillment, and premium marketing materials. Another standout feature is the Sellvia Pro plan, which goes beyond product sourcing and fulfillment. For $399, their team will build a fully operational online store with preloaded best-selling products, making it ideal for those who want to skip store setup and start selling immediately. However, this service is geared toward beginners, as experienced sellers may prefer full control over store customization. Now, let's talk about downsides. First, Sellvia's product selection is limited compared to larger marketplaces like AliExpress, which may restrict niche flexibility. Additionally, while shipping is fast within the US, international shipping isn't Sellvia's strength, making it a poor choice for those targeting global customers. Lastly, the subscription model means ongoing costs, so profitability depends on how well you market the products. So, who is Sellvia best for? If you're a beginner wanting an easy-to-launch, hands-off dropshipping store with fast US shipping, high-quality product pages, and reliable fulfillment, it's a solid option. If you're an advanced dropshipper looking for more supplier variety, global reach, and complete control over branding, it may not be the best fit. Final verdict? Sellvia is a great solution for US-focused dropshippers who want speed, convenience, and optimized product pages. But if you need international reach or a wider product catalog, you might want to explore other options. Try the free trial first to see if it fits your business goals.